Morning, Ray.
Good morning.
Are you excited?
Pretty stoked.
Where are we going?
BC.
Let's go. First fuel up. Hinton. Got the tacos. Got ready. Guys, we're starting our winter road trip in North Vancouver. Ray's starting off the day, taking a couple shots of the trucks. Let's go. And we are here at Lynn Canyon. Let's bust out the drone and check out some shots. We just made it to Olympia. Just gonna try to catch the sunset with some drone shots. Let's go. That was an epic way to end the day here. We'll see you guys in the morning. Absolutely epic day.
There's the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, there's the Pacific Ocean. Epic sunset. And I think that's where we're gonna end it here. And then we're gonna head into Oregon, right? Next part.
Yeah.
guys, that was awesome. Checked out some amazing waterfalls. Now we're gonna head to our next stop at Rowena Crest. Let's go. And that's it. That's the end of our road trip. We're ending it here because we just have a boring and long drive back.
It was an awesome trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us do stuff.
Super epic. Shout out to Krave Automotive for all the incredible work on our trucks, because they held up great with no issues.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Yeah, awesome. Thanks, guys.
See ya.